A few months ago, I found myself looking through a mystery surprise bag full of Hornby, Airfix, Corgi or Scalextric products. For £20, there was a great selection of products which would have a combined retail price of £50. Upon visiting my local Hornby hobby shop, I found that I couldn't resist and picked up another one. Join me in this video as I take a look through the second mystery bag that I purchased. Hello and welcome to Model Minutes and the second mystery bag video. The sturdy paper bag has been stapled together to try and prevent people from looking inside before they buy them, and I'm really hoping I don't get the same products as last time. But here goes. The first thing out of the bag is a Corgi Red Arrows Hawk diecast model. Now this looks pretty cool. I'm not entirely sure what scale this is, but it will look great next to the Corgi Hawker Hurricane I got last time. The next thing out of the bag is a quick build Bugatti Veyron model car. This is the Lego style building kit range that I'm not sure I'm a fan of, but if you'd like to see me build this kit, let me know in the comments below. That being said, it does look like it might be quite fun to have a go at. Out the bag next is a Hornby Magnet. That's a nice addition and I can display it on the fridge for all to see. To go with the magnet is also a Corgi keyring. I feel like these two things are just pushing up the value of the bag, so I'm not entirely convinced I've got anything good left to come out of this bag. There are a couple of Humbrol paintbrushes in this bag. Actually, that's not a bad thing to put in. I could always do with new brushes and these look quite good. They seem to be made of different materials, so I'll be interested in trying them out on an upcoming build. Next up, I've got something that I'm a bit more excited about, an Airfix Starter Set featuring the HMS Victory. Now that's a pretty good thing to pull out of the bag, but unfortunately I've already built one of these, and you can find the build video of this kit on my channel. And there is only one thing left in the bag. Something that I'm definitely excited about. A Hawker Typhoon starter set in 1/72nd scale. I believe this is the new tool version, and I've wanted one of these since they came out, but never actually had the chance to get one, so I'm glad that I can add that to my stash and hopefully get around to making a start on that soon. And that's it. That's everything that was included in the bag. So all in all, it's not a bad haul. A diecast Hawk, some new paintbrushes, a keyring and magnet, and 3 Airfix kits, one of which is a quick build car and 2 starter sets. A bit of quick maths from the mark prices tells me that these would be £44 worth of stuff, and the brushes, magnet and keyring, I guess, push it up to 50. So what do you think of this bag? Which product do you like best? If they're still selling these bags next time I go in, I think I would be tempted to get another one, but if they are clearing old stock in these bundles, I do worry that I'd start to see the same things again and again. Maybe I have to wait a little more time until they get new stock to put in them. At the moment though, I'm pretty happy with what I've got and should really make a dent on my stash before I add any more to it. All that's left to say is thanks for watching this video and don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe and hit that notification button in order to see more content and help support the channel. And feel free to share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget that you can connect with me on social media. I'm on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. See you all again next time.